not the quietest of places, but it has a good value for the money even if you are not here to party, as long as you are not a light sleeper. Also, I had an additional request and the nice front desk person accommodated it very well. Big thanks for that. It reminded me of a school building. Clean, reasonably priced place in a good location. Friendly staff. They even have their own restaurant, very moderately priced. Trolley is across the street. Super. I want to find a reason to travel back to Fussen just to stay in this inn. With a traditional German architecture and design, this inn is nestled at the bottom of a forested hill overlooking the Austrian Alps and a turquoise alpine river. It is surrounded by beautiful lush woods with tons of hiking trails. They have a restaurant downstairs that is delicious with a great ambience and good cheer. We got the only room with an amazing balcony that looks over the Austrian. The entire hostel environment is pleasant. Staff was very helpful to ensure guests are well settled into the hostel. Very clean and systematic place. Very close to essential transport like trams, buses and undergrounds. A choice place for those. Good hotel with very friendly reception. The breakfast was cheap and good. Great place to sleep, great beds and rooms. Toilets are clean if you go earlier before the kids. Watch out the noise after 11 p.m. If the hostel is full of kids, you will have a hard time to get to sleep. Very good breakfast in the morning, all you can eat. It was a great hostel and the rooms were good as well. 8 tenths will stay again. Reception people are not that welcoming. We had to wait exactly at 2 p.m. although the room was actually ready.